Hello folks, Mike Gebhardt from Coldwell Banker Realty in Boulder. This is video 3 in the You've Got Home Equity, You're a Hero in Home Equity series, Now What? This video is about should you refi using a traditional home equity line of credit to monetize some of the equity in your house. You know, I hear all the time from people in my demographic, I'm in my 60s, I hear all the time, why would I borrow money at 7%, which is kind of the going rate now? Let's use 7.5, whatever it is for a HELOC. You know, I have no mortgage or I have a small mortgage and I'm only paying 3 or 4% on that. Why would I borrow money at 7%? And it resonates with me. I get it. I totally understand that. Excuse me. However, what I would suggest is it still might make sense if the funds you realize from that home equity line of credit improve your lifestyle such that it's worth it to you to pay for it. You may be able to help your kids out, maybe buy a house, maybe pay off some debt. Maybe you could pay off some debt yourself. Maybe you could buy a vacation home or a fractional ownership home or a short-term rental to improve your cash flow. There are some negative trade-offs, don't get me wrong. Certainly you're going to have payments and you're going to have higher payments. You're also going to pay closing and transaction costs. But it's not always about the rate you pay for money. I've been an interest rate geek my whole life. It's not always what you pay for the money, it's how the funds realized improve your lifestyle. It still may be worth it to you. If you want to talk more about refis, about what the numbers look like for you and how they pencil out, DM me refi in the comments. Video 4 in this series is coming up next. That'll be talking about using a HECM or a reverse. They're actually kind of very similar products to tap the home equity in your home without leaving your home. That's it. Mike Gebhardt, 303-681-7006. See you soon.